Josh.
Hey, Josh, grab me a glass of milk. They don't have any milk, but I can get you some milk.
That's what he just said.
Yeah, I just want some milk.
No, you're saying it wrong. You're saying milk. Like it's a disease.
How do you say it?
I'm saying it the way everyone ought to say it. Milk. M-I-L-K.
Right, like 2%.
Right, whole milk.
No. Say milkshake.
Milkshake.
Okay, now say milk.
Milk.
Are you hearing this?
Yeah, the man wants a glass of milk. Give him the milk, Josh.
Donovan, inside voices, please.
Sorry, Dad.
My white friends.
Josh, pour me a glass of milk.
Why are you yelling at me?
Just give him the freaking milk.
You guys aren't even saying the same thing.
We're all saying milk, Josh.
No, you're saying milk. You're saying...
Better put it down, Josh.
Don't do it, Josh. You're gonna shoot me if I shoot myself? That doesn't make any sense.
Hold up.
Josh, put it down. Put the gun down. Put your gun away. Josh, put it down now.
I'm gonna kill myself over this. You're like a brother to me. Put the gun down your hand, just like a brother to me. And then, after that, we pull the trigger. All of us.
We're not filming something like that.
Why not?
It's so dark. I don't know.